And it's Sunny Beach Life, the channel dedicated to Sunny Beach in Bulgaria, and we head south from Flower Street. We some fantastic news. Some bars have opened, they've been closed for years. The traders are picking up. This area had a bad start, but we're getting a much better vibe and feel from it now, and we're going to see a show to finish. And Dober Den
on this fine Monday afternoon.
Yeah, it's June, it's hot. We've just been to Burgers this morning. The car is showing well over 30 degrees. Yeah. It's fantastic.
It's great shopping, but I really wish I'd have been on that beach, but...
Yeah, so we're going to have a night out in Sunny Beach yet again, because Craig Williams is on at the Sport pubs. We're going to see him. We'll have something to eat really late on, because we had a Kentucky for dinner in Burgers, so we're not hungry at the moment.
So we're starting our video today at the Mena Cocktail Bar because we've just walked from the apartment and already we're a bit hot and bothered.
Is that enough? So let's just have a quick beer. So we'll go for a quick beer and then we're going to move on and have a look round the resort, see what's happening in the evening.
See what's happening at this end. Right, we enjoyed a lovely beer at the Mena Cocktail Bar just up the road there. Oh, much needed because it is so hot. Just passing Anderson's. They've got a few people in, even at this time of the day, 6:30, which is good. And we're going south to our final destination to watch a comedy show, and I'm hoping I might get a game of bingo. So, housey everybody. Let's hope I'm a winner. And after HC Anderson's there, on the left, you get the Trackia Plaza and then Trackia Gardens just up this way, which is lovely and cool at this moment because it's under all these lovely trees. So that's worth a visit, Trackia Garden. That's really nice, some of our subscribers are telling us. On my right is the Trackia Hotel, and all the balconies have got towels out, so that looks like it's very busy in there. And then to my left, you've got the Bakel, which again looks very busy, people walking on the balcony there. Some sad people waiting to go home, waiting for their transfers. So this area is really coming alive now.
And of course, if you really want to enjoy Sunny Beach to its fullest, just don't go home.
Yeah, good idea. We didn't.
And behind me is one of the great restaurants on this road, is the Trackia Garden. I just says, let's go in just for a small beer, but we've got a time problem. We've got to see an act at 8 o'clock. It's gone 7, so we will show you another time. It's got a fantastic garden, a really relaxing place to sit, especially if you're feeling a bit hot and bothered. It's in the trees and it's planted really well. Very, very nice. So give this one a try. And it's away from the main road, which is also a big advantage. Oh, that was amazing. We're at the front of the restaurant on the Trackia Garden there. And Mark come out and just waited us to finish. And then Lena was behind him. And they own the restaurant and the hotel next door, Trackia Garden. So we've just had a walk around the amazing garden and pool. And our subscribers are always saying, can you film it? Well, we said, well, we can now. We're going to do this on another day. Obviously, we've got time and I can bring the drone with me because it's absolutely beautiful out the back there. Something really nice. It's a family-run hotel. It's only bed and breakfast. It's very simple, but very nice. Everybody really loves it. And most of their clients are regulars who go back again and again. And I've just heard they're 100% capacity. They are completely full at the moment. They're doing really, really well. So look out for that film when we do it. And if you enjoyed the video, Natisny Betona, hit the like button. Really helps the video spread more. Thanks a lot. The amazing thing is, we are so surprised. Because people say, Andrew, it must be, you walk around all the time, you must know everything. I said, no, we don't. And behind me is a very old Mexican bar. restaurant here that I remember pre-COVID, years ago, literally years ago. It's been boarded up, looked abandoned. And we just come back. This is the first. Well, I saw some guys take a bit of wood off a couple of months ago. Nothing happened. And now look at this. They're almost ready to open. It means that Sunny Beach is obviously doing better than it did. There's the opportunity for people to reopen some businesses that haven't been open for a very long time. That's nothing but good news at the moment. Well, that is really good news. And behind me is the Piccadilly, and we filmed this, March time, and they stripped the front out. They've extended the outside dining. So people obviously prefer like now, you don't want to be inside. It's nearly 30 degrees. It's like 7 o'clock at night. It's still sticky. You want to sit outside in a little bit of a breeze. That's looking really, really nice now, the Piccadilly. And this area was very quiet, and we're kind of hearing things, but we knew. We walked it a week or so ago. It was very, very quiet because the Smart Line Meridian, I'm standing outside, didn't seem to be active. It's got loads of people there now, and there's people sitting there with the suitcases waiting to go home. We've just seen some transfers dropping people off. So this area is really starting to boom now, middle of June. It's getting there at last. And even the Malibu has opened, and we were being told that is an opening this year. I'll show you. It's got people in, it is buzzing, so that's good news.
After the excitement of seeing the Mexican opening up, which Andrew's just filmed, now we're just popping down this little alleyway now that's adjacent to the Piccadilly, going towards the Morris, and it's going to take us to where we're going next. So join us, everybody. And we've got subscribers waving at us, so we'll have to go say hello to them. Hello to Coco, who runs this, what is it, sort of
T-shirts, hoodies.
T-shirts, hoodies.
Okay,
yeah.
do a bit, I'll go back a bit on the camera. There you are now. Go.
Oh, and it's great up this little alleyway now because all the stalls are open. And we've just been talking to Coco here, and he runs this lovely stall, got lots of T-shirts, good prices as well. So how long have you been running this stall, Coco?
We have been running the store for 10 years with my wife,
All right.
and every year is getting better and better, getting customers coming again every summer, which is a good thing.
Yeah. That's
It,
lovely.
yeah, it makes us improve the quality of the T-shirts and the hoodies as well.
Yeah.
So,
Oh.
yeah.
So if you don't want to travel with a lot of luggage, which costs money, just come here and buy yourself a T-shirt. Lovely. Look at
More
these.
than welcome.
Yeah. 15 lev. You can't go wrong, except for the one on the floor.
That's good.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
It's been a pleasure, honestly.
Let me just do a bit of a...
I've been following you for the past 2 years.
Oh yeah.
And I was hoping, I saw last summer you uploaded a video
Yeah.
in our street, but I was like,
Oh.
how can I miss you? But
Oh yeah. Oh, we know you. We shall speak to you more often. So
it's been a pleasure.
Yeah.
And
a couple of weeks ago, it was very sad in this area. It really was. And talking to the people in the bars and the restaurants, they were really very, very worried. But things are turning around. It is the middle of June, and we're getting a lot better, more positive feel tonight than we did a couple of weeks ago. Completely different. So hopefully, there are things happening behind the scenes, which obviously can't talk about, where we may get a big improvement in this area later in the season. Just hope things go well.
watch out for the train.
What?
I'm thinking about that insurance again.
Do that again now.
Oh no, that's funny. You got to keep that in.
No, I swear.
Oh, gee, no, yeah. We can cut that word out. But anyway,
Beep,
go on.
beep, beep.
Beep, beep, beep.
So, I'm going to film this bit again because Sue was trying to get me killed again with a train. I don't know what her problem is at the moment. Just saying there's a lot more positive in this part of the resort now. A couple of weeks ago we filmed it. All the bar people were so negative, and the restaurant owners, that they didn't know if they'd survive till the end of June. And suddenly it's starting to come around now, and there's some good news we hear on the horizon. Can't tell you what it is, but there could be moves that will actually completely change this and put people back in some of the hotels. Just hoping that goes ahead.
Well, we've just met this fun guy, Peter, on his stall. He says everyone's a winner, so I'm going to try.
Everyone's a winner.
What do I do, Peter?
It is make game. It's bow,
Can I
shooting.
try?
Try.
Oh! I'm a winner!
Everyone's a winner. Toys.
Now I'm going to try bingo and hope I'm a winner there as well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice evening. And that's Sunny Beach Life. Yeah.
I search this one.
Right, this is Tanya now, next to Peter and his fun stall. And what do you do, Tanya?
Make braids. Just very, very nice.
All right,
The best. The best.
the best. Let's have a look at one.
Yes, okay, please.
Oh, these are pretty colours,
Yes.
aren't they?
Nice.
Nice. So if you're up this area, next to Pomori's son, and you've got little girls that want the hair braiding, come and see Tanya. Oh, that's lovely. Thank you, Tanya. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, yeah. Well, it gives us a chance to relax, doesn't it? So,
Sit down for an hour.
Yeah. Stop.
5 and 9 is your Brighton line, folks, at 59. Choo choo. 7 and 6, them trombones, 76. 6 and 1, folks, it's your Baker's Bun at 61. Okay. Right, we're now playing before your 2 lines. That's any 2 lines on which to be your ticket at 6. Your claim for the line was on number 3. Eyes down for your next number. Best of luck, Sports Bar. Here we go.
We live the life in Sunny Beach, I tell you.
1 and 4, Valentine's Day 14.
Now, get ready to make some noise. And welcome from Benidorm, the man rumoured to be Sticky Vicky's love child, the man who hates the Penny Arcade song, and the man whose act is only slightly longer than this introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the one, the only, Craig Williams!
And the crowd went wild! This side went wild! This side! This side! This side! This side! My side! Nice to see you all. Good evening! Oh, let's have a little look around the room. Now it's your turn! No, 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 no. And the music played where? In the Penny Arcade. Yes, it played and it played all the time. Roll up and spend your last. Roll up and spend your last. Roll up and spend your last time. Good night.
Well, we've had an absolutely wonderful night here at the Sports Bar at Pomori's son with Craig. So it's ciao ciao from me.
And it's ciao ciao from me, everybody.
So we'll see you all here again soon to watch Craig's brilliant show. Bye for now.
Bye.
We have loads of local knowledge. We actually live here. We're not just on holiday. So if you want to follow us in 2025, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks a lot.